friends, so today's vlog is about unboxing the Apple Pro, the latest one, the Apple 12 Pro. So basically we thought of purchasing it as it's going out of stock real soon. So what we have done, we have made a pickup delivery for the Apple 12, and like we would like to unbox it today, but we have to go like more than 150 miles just to pick the phone. So our today's vlog is about it, and my friend Jaiva would like to say something.
I'm just driving, I don't know to say anything.
Alright, so let's go.
How are you feeling now? The entrance is temporarily closed. You're not going to get. So here we are again at Oxmoor along with Mr. Dhruval Patel and Mr. Ajinkya. And why we are here, Ajinkya?
Okay, so we have planned to buy iPhone 12 Pro,
Okay.
but it was not in stock from so many days. So we found it that it is available or in stock at Oxmoor Mall, which is around 157 miles from the place we live.
So we drive 3 hours, almost 2 hours, and I drove them over this place, and they both were sleeping in the car. So especially this fellow who did nothing. So I drive for 2 hours.
The Lego store behind.
Which one?
I think they should build a nice one of Lego.
So let's just see. So I'm standing next to the Apple store, and we all know that due to this COVID, Apple store is closed. And as we can see, it's exactly behind me. And two of my friends one of them is getting Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and the another fellow is getting Apple MagSafe charger, which is they launched this year, which is having a wireless charging and which attached to your iPhone, the MagSafe technology, which there's a lot talk about it. So we're pretty excited about it. We will see. So what you got, Aja? Yeah, is it MagSafe?
Without the iPhone.
Don't you ask them for an adapter? Let me see. Yeah, this is what we got. And let's wait for one more. There you can see Ajinkya is. So complaint है क्या adapter चाहिए क्या? Okay. So the guy over there, we got the iPhone 12 Pro. And he is having talk with. Is he planning to return iPhone also after 15 days?
I think they are just trying to sell the adapters and...
Oh yeah. Okay. Did they?
Yeah.
They ask you for, do you need adapter on like that?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh my god. Apple having a bad days.
They are not having that, so they're just taking care of the customers.
Oh, a loyal A loyal Apple customer. Understood?
Because they don't want that customer somehow and they find it out that like there is no adapter in the box. So
Yeah, it's cool. Here comes. Scam का music बता.
चलिए रुका दीजिए कि नहीं तो बोला ना बैग ले
ये चिंदी चोरी बैग दो लिए. क्या?
let's just get irritation.
So Ajinkya, how you feel now? You got the new phone, iPhone 12.
I don't know that there was much excitement before I just took it in my hand, but it's all gone now.
Yeah, because you have it now. It's in your hand. That's why. So why we are in this store? Can you just tell me the name of the store?
Thanks.
Dex. Okay, why we are here? We got iPhone. We got everything.
It's Dick's Sporting Goods, sorry to be very precise.
And what you want to buy from here? Bro?
Well, Drupal is a fitness freak, so
Yeah, I can see how fit he is. Yeah.
I would like to buy a few dumbbells. too.
Dumbbells. So I don't know. So we are in Dick's Sports Shop. So where we are looking for dumbbells. Let's see.
So friends, we have just purchased the iPhone 12 Pro, not Max because it was not yet in the market. But still we have the Pro one, and I would like to give few credits to my dear friend Dhruval Patel for driving us so long,
I drive.
and my lovely brother back there. Yeah, he drove too. So here we have the package, and we are just going to unbox it. So what we got in the bag is the iPhone 12 Pro, and this is MagSafe charger. So we'll keep aside the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's go with the MagSafe first. So we have few documentation. We'll just keep it aside. And yes, this is the new MagSafe charger Apple have introduced just to get some extra bucks from people's pocket. So as we talked about the MagSafe charger, it is really snappy, and I guess it's going to charge. The magnet is like really strong one here, but again, it is Type-C, so it won't go with your old adapters. You have to buy a new one. Here is our new iPhone 12 Pro, and so let's unbox it. So here is the device. So basically they have the plastic wrap for every model or variant every single time, but this time they have just given a plastic sticker. So this is how it looks. The stainless steel bezels looks great, and here is the 5G antenna. I guess here it is. So we'll just keep the device aside and let's see what's in the box. So this time, just to be environmental friendly and to save their packaging, I guess the Apple have just given us the cable and no adapter, and they are selling adapter for extra 19 bucks. So these are the few adapters that Apple have before they stop selling in the box. So as you see, they claimed that the old adapters would be used with the new cable, but if you see, the new cable is Type C, and this is like the USB Type A. So I guess this don't go with it. So even the cable which come from the box, it does not support. See, these are the old cables, these are the new cables, and these are the old adapters. The old adapter, the only they go and work with is with the 11 Max Pro.